Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jasper to write LinkedIn posts that convert. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jasper homepage. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Jasper dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, which will help in navigation. On the left side of the screen, find the Template section. Scroll down until you see the Social Media category. Within this category, locate the LinkedIn Posts template. Click on the LinkedIn Posts template to open it. You will see prompts to enter your content ideas and specific details. Fill in the required fields with the main message you want to convey. Consider your target audience and adjust the tone accordingly. Once you've entered your details, review the suggestions generated by Jasper. Make any necessary edits to personalize the content further. When satisfied with the post, copy the generated text. Now, open a new tab and navigate to your LinkedIn account. Log in to LinkedIn using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the home page. Click on the Start a Post section. Paste the content you copied from Jasper into the post editor. Make any final adjustments if necessary for clarity or engagement. Add relevant hashtags to enhance visibility. Finally, click the Post button to share your LinkedIn update with your network. Monitor the engagement on your post and adjust future content strategies accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.